Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeff in Jersey on this new Stryker SR-955HP. Jeff got you ready to go, bud. Tune alignment, upgraded to Shiba voltage regulator, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and the ERF 2030 Plus MOSFET upgrade to get you over that 100 watt mark. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, and we got the top back wide open. 2 watts all the way down, that way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 20 watts all the way up, show you average power swing. Hello. 70 watts or better. So what's that mean on the peak side? 250 watt slug, PEP, top scale. Hello. And about 125, 124, somewhere in there. Let's go ahead and turn the RF power all the way back down. 2 watts. Hello, 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 1, 2 audio. Still swings the full potential. Alright, Jeff, hope you enjoy it, man. We're going to get this on out to you from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.